guys, my name is Man. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the important tips about the eyes. First of all, don't draw inner side and outer side same as each other. They are not equal. Every eye has its own character. You see, each one has special features. The surface of the cornea is slightly raised. The cornea pushes outward and changes the eyelid shape. As you can see, it changes the shape of the eyelid by changing the position. Now let's study the position of the cornea in different situations. When the eye is sleepy, the eyelid covers almost half of it. Next position will be like this, a little more open than first one. Third one, which would be open pupil, and you can see the cornea completely. And the last one, eye wide open. In this position, you see more of the eyeball. The white is the most. The ratio of the cornea to the whole eye is normally half. And the eye inside view is like this. It has an inward slope. If we draw the eyes in a straight line, the face becomes flat. So we should draw them on a curved line to look more natural. You see, these corners of the eyes must be make a curved line, not a straight line. Another important point about the eyes is that the edges of the eyelids should have volume. It's not just a line. It is surface. In fact, every line that we see is made up of several surfaces. Some surfaces, such as the edge of the eyelid, is so wide that it looks like a line. And if you want to draw a portrait, or you draw or paint close-up view of the eye, don't draw it with one line. It's very important. The inner part of the eye is concave, and the outer part is convex and raised. Of course, this is a general rule, and in different type of eyes, the intensity of this convexity and indentation is different, which I talk about them in next video. A few other important points. First, tear duct, a very small part of the eye, which the shape of that is different in different eyes. For example, it can be elongated or round, which gives character to the eye. Second, the upper eyelid is always over the lower eyelid. In the elderly people, this is more visible because it's more intense. So remember, we always draw a line like this, downward, not upward. It's very important, so I tell you again, eyelids also have volume. They are very thin but not linear. There is surface here, which in this view it's more visible. And placement of the eyes, of the eyeballs in the skull, which makes the face look round. Eyelids are stretched like two thin layers on the eyeball and close from the top and bottom to the middle. Of course, the upper eyelids do the most of the job of opening and closing the eyes. Eyeballs placed in inward slope. If we want to simplify, it looks like this, where the eyeballs are located. Well, at the end, why is corneal like this? It has a volume like that and has series of grooves and texture. And the cornea glass surface covered. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it and subscribe my channel.